favorite food, the way you watch the evening news, the freckles on your skin, the way you start your stories from the end. Oh, what am I supposed to do now that it's over? Is there someplace I can trade in all this lovesick information now that it's over? And now that it's through, tell me what am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? The sheepish way you love that I can never get enough. The things I think about when I find myself awake at night. Should I throw them all away, save them for the holiday? When you go home and you get drunk, figure out that you screwed up. What am I supposed to do now that it's over? Is there someplace I can trade in all this lovesick information now that it's over?
Right in 2.1 kilometers.
Now that we're through, what am I supposed to do? Tell me what am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do now that it's over? Is there someplace I can trade in all this lovesick information now that it's over? And now that we're through, tell me what am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do?
Jump into the car on a Friday night, I wanna drive with you.
Speed limit is 60.
Looking for a bar in the nearest town, I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young, it doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like, there ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful, and I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Talking about yourself and you make me smile. like you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not coming down. Ain't nobody like you. I could go 1,000 miles as long as I'm with you. Yeah, you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you. Ain't nobody like you. I hoped we were gonna make it. He promised we would find the time.